Hi guys, welcome to the video today. Today what we have is something a little different. We've got a sponsor for this video, and what I'm going to do is I'll show you what we have and who the sponsor is for this, and we'll have all kinds of, we'll have the links down below and things of that sort, and what it is, what you can buy, and all that kind of stuff as well. So let's get into this. Okay, so you can see here IS01080BK. Let's just take a look and see. Small box, but yeah, it's SPELAB, S-P-E-L-A-B. And this here, basically, well, you can see there, it's right on the little filter. Basically all this is just it's to take care of the line that comes off the filter down into the turbo. Okay, what I've done is I've already taken it off. I'll show you here in just a second, and we'll get going from there. But they give you all the hose clamps that you're going to need, the plug that goes down in towards by the turbo. This is the little filter that's going to fit together. It's going to go in on the side of the filter housing, right on the side of the valve cover. Okay, so let's show you what we got here, and we'll get. Okay, so there you go. So down here, here's the hose here that I've disconnected. That's where the plug is going to go, and we'll put this up into there. It does look like, you can't see very well down there, but it does look like there's a clamp down there that I'm not going to worry about taking it off. But I'll just get the plug in here, and then we'll get her filter on here. And you can see she's a little dirty. There's oil coming out of that. So let's get this thing all built up, and we'll go from there. Okay, so as you can see, it's this easy to get all built up. But that's where it's going to be, like that. I gotta straighten that out a little bit. It's not quite 100% straight, but you'll be able to see that from looking over top of it. And then the plug, they do give you 4 hose clamps. These are actually really nice hose clamps as well. They're not the really cheap ones that you get. They're actually a decent hose clamp. But anyway, let's go get this plug in and get this filter on. We'll actually get this straightened out first, and yeah, and then we'll go from there. We'll show you how easy it is to install. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna have to loosen that clamp there, but that's the way she's gonna sit, just like that. You can see there's her tag there. Oops, lighting's not very good, but yeah, SPELAB, S-P-E-LAB, SPELAB, not quite sure how you pronounce it, but anyway, that is her. Oh, it does look like I leaked a little oil, but it was from my cap there. I did an oil test from Oil Labs. But anyway, let's get the plug in this lower one here, and we'll be all done. So there we are. This is probably one of the simplest things you can do to your truck. This is my truck. It's a 2011 Ram 3500 with, as you can see, the 6.7 turbo diesel, the Cummins. But and as you can see, we've got a weight loss plan on her and whatnot. But anyway, there you go. So guys, I just want to thank you for coming along to gonna fall here. But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for coming along, watching the video. If you guys have any questions at all, let me know. As well, I'll let you know how this performs too. I've always wanted to do this. I know for just talking with other guys that have done this, we probably will have to clean the filter every little once in a while. Not a big deal. It's great to the point where it does stop that oil from dropping down into the turbo, you know, and things of that sort. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for coming to visit. And again, if you have any questions, SPELAB is the company there, and like I said, I'll leave all their information in the comments below. I want to thank everyone for watching. Cheers.